How to access Prettier extension settings. I need to access this page of settings or configuration for Prettier, and uh, in case I want to change anything in Visual Studio Code. How can I do that? Let's go to any project I have and follow the steps. First thing here, I'm sure that I installed Prettier. Then I can access the settings by two ways: from file, then preferences, then settings, or I can press control and comma. I will open settings, then I will write in the search box here Prettier, that's it, and select Prettier. All those are the configuration of Prettier.